Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Chow Fun. Chow Fun is a local dish that is pretty much healthy because of the wide variety of veggies used in it. Chow Fun is great to take to any potluck or to cook for a healthy dinner for your family. It's super fast and simple to make. So let's get to it. Here are the basic ingredients for this dish. For the noodles, you can find them labeled as egg noodles at any local grocery store. I used a wok to stir fry the ingredients. Heat it over medium heat and drizzle in some oil. Add in the ginger first to bring out its flavor. Then start to fry the vegetables and meat. I try to cook the vegetables that will cook the longest first. Make sure to prep the vegetables by cutting it thinly so it's easier to eat. Once the vegetables are halfway cooked, set it aside. Cook the noodles according to the package's instructions and have it ready. Using the same wok, drizzle in some oil and add in the cooked noodles. Stir fry it for about a minute or two, or until you see it browning. Then add in the veggies and give it a nice stir to mix it together. Then add in the oyster sauce and shoyu and sugar. Stir it together. Then add in half of the green onions and quickly stir it. Serve it hot and enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!